Hi, I'm Spencer. And as you can tell by my Nalgene and my overpriced outdoor hat and the flannel tied around my waist, I love nature. That's why I have oak on my shirt, because oak is a tree and tree's part of nature. Join me as we go explore the nature of our campus. We film on site here in Mount Vernon, which means we have plenty of mountains. Sometimes you have to get up close and get skin to skin with Mother Nature, just like a baby with their mother. That's why sometimes I just need to feel Mother Nature in my soul. Isn't Mother Nature pretty? Sometimes Mother Nature is nice and gives you a snack. It's tasty and crunchy. To get the full experience of nature, there's always a challenge or two that you're gonna have to overcome, but once you're there, it's worth the climb. Trust me. Friends, I fear our time here may be coming to an end. I keep getting the feeling that the network's going to cancel the show, or some passing along is going to happen, and I'm not sure. But before we go, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite spots. This here is the wetlands of Mount Vernon. Isn't it just gorgeous? Let's just bask it in for a moment. I'm sorry, what's that noise?
Crikey, here we are in the wilds of MVNU in this beautiful body.
I'm sorry. Who are you? What are you doing? Do you have the paperwork to film here?
Crikey, yeah, I got the paperwork to do it here. Like,
no. This is my personal land.
Can we stop rolling? Spencer, you said I could film here today.
Spencer, what? No, I didn't.
Spencer, this is for FNL. You know, Funny Night Live.
What?
The comedy show. Spencer, you said I could do this today.
Is this a joke to you? Is nature a joke to you? Look at this beautiful body of water. Is this a joke?
Who are you?
Nature expert?
No, you're Spencer Chkowski. You're in a comedy show.
What?
Pull out your wallet.
What? Yeah, see?
Pull up. Look at your FNL membership card. Look at that. Look at that. Spencer Chkowski, look at that. That's you.
What?
Spencer, come back.
What?
Spencer!
Hi, I'm Spencer, and as you can tell by my chacos and my camp attire, I love nature. And one of the best things about MVNU is we have so much nature. Look forward to seeing you next time.